everybody, it's Sarah here, and I'm here today to share with you this project for the Auntie Vera Scrap and Craft June kit, which is called Coffee and Friends. So for my second project for this kit, I've decided to make this cute little toilet paper mini album. This is the first toilet paper mini I've made, and it's just super cute. So I'll just talk you through what I've done. So inside I have the toilet paper tubes, which I flattened out, and I'll go through the middle in a moment. And then I made this cardstock cover just using the Bo Bunny papers that came with the kit. And then did just a zigzag binding in here, and then I covered the binding with this extra piece of Bo Bunny cardstock here. Oh, my tag's slipping out. So that's just the vanilla Bo Bunny dotted cardstock there. I decided to tear the edge to make it a little bit more rustic than, you know, slim and, you know, perfected. I then just used this twine here and tied it on the spine to give it a bit of interest. So this is just some crochet cotton and some sewing thread that I thought were nice colours. And then yeah, so for the front here, oops, sorry. I made my tags a bit loose so that when I put things on them, they'll be bulked up and they'll stay in, but it means they're slipping around now. So for the cover here, I used this coffee cup mug shaker pocket. And then I put the sequins from the kit in there so it's so pretty and it all shakes around. And then I used this Sentiment Take a Break with the little mini coffee cup there from the Sizzix stamp kit that comes with the kit to sort of like hide away in the background there, and then you can like shake it around and hide it and whatnot. So I think that's lots of fun. So then I put this enamel pin from Echo Park on the front here. So I actually, it was a pin, but so that it didn't come through the other side there, I just used a pair of pliers to take the back off, and then I hot glued it onto the front. I was going to put a closure here, but the weight of this pin actually keeps everything down, and you can still kind of stand it up as well, so I don't think it needs it. I think it looks great just like that. And then you have the little tassels here from the tags hanging out the side anyway, because I like having some sort of tassely things hanging around on my mini albums. So I'll just quickly take you through the inside. It's very simple. So I just used these toilet paper rolls here, and then these are all papers from the coffee collection in this month's kit. And I just made these little craft tags. They're just plain with some more of that trim on the edge, and I kept these plain because the papers have quite a lot going on, so I thought the tags would be a spot where you could put some photos or some journaling or something. So I'll just quickly take you through these pages. They're all coffee themed, so this is a nice little album, and I think it would be great with the kit being called Coffee and Friends that you could, you know, make this a little album for a friend that likes coffee, or if you went on a coffee date or something with a friend that you hadn't seen in a while, you could make a little album to celebrate that. There's a few different things that you could use this project for. So very simple, but a fun little mini album. It's nice and small and cute. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this. If you did want to know how I made this, I can make a tutorial, but there are some other ones around on YouTube as well if you just search for toilet paper mini album tutorial. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.